File Form 4506T when you need a transcript of your tax return or tax account information. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of Form 4506T that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. Start by filling in your name and contact details. Then, enter the tax form number you'd like to get a transcript for. Use box 9 to specify the requested time period. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your Form 4506T directly in the pdfFiller editor. Click Done to save the changes you've made, and choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.